invention in science can change the world forever. Science is one of the biggest mysteries of the world. Every mystery can be solved with the help of science, laws, and logics. To progress in the world, one needs nothing but a good knowledge of science. A country evolves because of the scientists who find new ways and through new laws. Because of the technology of science, life has become easier and simpler for human beings. India has an important role for contributing towards the scientific world from the ancient time. Scientists make it possible with the help of research and upgradation of technologies.
National Science Day is celebrated all over India with great enthusiasm on 28th of February every year in order to pay respect to the famous invention of the Raman effect in India by the Indian physicist Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman on the same day in the year 1928. This famous Indian physicist discovered the law of scattering lights when passed over different particles. This discovery was known to the world as the Raman effect. It was the first one made by any Indian in history. For his great success in the field of science in India, Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was awarded and honoured with the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication requested the Government of India to designate 28th February as National Science Day, which the then Government of India accepted and declared the day as National Science Day in 1986. The first National Science Day was celebrated on 28th February 1987. Since then, to respect the invention made by Sri Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, the countries, schools, universities, colleges and research organizations and everyone connected to this subject celebrate this day and pay respect to the great physicist India has seen.
To make this day more special for the people working for the progress of science in our country, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication declared the National Science Popularization Award in order to recognize the excellence in the field of science made by others. This award is given to every researcher or a person who has contributed in the field of science. For every scientist present in India, it is one of the most prestigious awards to achieve. The researchers take this day as an opportunity to bring out their researches and explain them to the world.
Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born to R. Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal on 7th November 1888 in Tiruvanikkol, a neighbourhood city of Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, India. He was formerly known as Sir C.V. Raman. He is highly educated with Presidency College and has been honoured with many awards such as Bharat Ratna, Nobel Prize in Physics, Hughes Medal, Lenin Peace Prize, Franklin Medal and many more.
The Raman effect is a phenomenon in spectroscopy discovered by the eminent physicist by working in the laboratory of the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, Kolkata. Raman effect is a change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by molecule. When a beam of light traverses a dust-free, transparent sample of chemical compound, a small fraction of light emerges in the direction other than that of the incoming beam. The Raman effect was declared a National Historic Chemical Landmark by the American Chemical Society in recognition of its significance as a survey for the composition of liquids, solids and gases.
National Science Day is a day to recognize the efforts of a great physicist who has given us a Raman effect, a wavelength of light on 28 February 1928. National Science Day is celebrated all over the country as one of the main science festivals every year to widely spread a message about the significance of scientific applications in the daily life of the people, to display the activities, efforts and achievements in the field of science for the welfare of a human being.
To discuss all the issues and implement new technologies for the development of science. To give an opportunity to the scientifically minded citizens in the country and to encourage the people as well as popularize science and technology. In this modern era, people have bonded with the technology of science. Many things invented by science are used in our daily life or become a part of our lives.